Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use any MP3 file for free as your ringtone, custom ringtone on your iPhone 17. So today I'm gonna show you this faster, quicker way with the third-party application. If you don't want to use the third-party application, the only thing you have to do is to search our video on YouTube. It's using the GarageBand, how to set the custom ringtone for your iPhone. Not labeled as 17, just iPhone. So at first you need to open the App Store and open Search. Here you have to search for the Ringtone Maker. Tap it, and now install this application. You need to authorize yourself using the Face ID or upload the password. Tap Open, and here ask App not to track. Wait a moment, because here we have some ad. Continue to app, don't allow. Tap this plus button to get it from MP3. Tap More, tap Import from File. Open your file, import successful, tap on it. Make. Shrink to 30 seconds and continue. This is here. Now, tap Use as Ringtone. And it's here. And if I now call my phone, wait a moment, we can see this ringtone, but it's done in disturb mode now, so wait a moment. Do not disturb is disabled and silent mode is disabled. Let me call again. I am afraid that this was copyrighted, so if it was, I will have demonetization for my channel, but it works. And that's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.